Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced from alexmercedcoder.com, and this is the first in a series of videos where I'm going to do is build a little mini trivia game using Contentful. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do here in this first video, we're going to learn how to set up Contentful and how to kind of create our API using Contentful. Because essentially the overall arcing thing here we're going to do is create our data using Contentful. Then by using API calls and calling Contentful's API, we'll pull that data into our HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and create a little mini like trivia game where you can score points, etc. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a whole new Contentful account, which I will destroy after this video series is over. I'm going to go to login. Okay, and I am going to create a new account. So, or log in with login via SSO, reset password, reset confirmation. Here, new the Contentful sign up. Okay, and I am going to sign up. I'll fill out all this fun stuff. Alex Merced company. Don't worry about it. Here we're just gonna try. We're gonna say Contentful at alexmerced.com. Yay for catch-all email addresses. Okay, JavaScript, I guess. Job title by me. Okay, password. Let's see here. I will just do a password. Okay, sign up. Oh, makes me have to choose a job function. I guess education, training, is that an option? Okay, fine, other. Oh, me, I am the company. Apparently there's a lot of me's. Found is on its way. Fine. Sure, save that password, why not? I create content. Okay, we'll talk about all this. So what it's doing is creating a new space. This basically, like one project is like a space, and in a space you create what's called a model. A model is a type of data. So let's say you can think of it as like an Excel spreadsheet. So you have a spreadsheet of data. So think of different, and you would probably have like a different spreadsheet for your bills. You might have a different spreadsheet for clients that you have. You might have a different spreadsheet for a list of pets that you own. Basically the idea is that each one is like a different, it's a model of a certain data set you're going to keep track of. Okay, so whenever we hear that model, we think a particular data set. Okay, we're going to get started. Okay, and then basically here we're here in our example project. The first step is we need to create a content model. Okay, and let's see here. Layout, highlight, course. Yep, this is all stuff that's just kind of added in there. I'm not going to worry about it. I want to add a content type. So we're going to create our own model, which will be trivia question. Trivia questions. I'll just put trivia questions. But I'm going to change this to trivia Q to make it easier for later. Okay, and there we go. Okay. Now we need to add fields. So we need to think, okay, what does a trivia question look like? It has a question. It should have 4 choices and an answer. Okay. So we should have one piece of text. That's the question. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Then we're going to add, we'll make it answer. We'll call each a potential answer an A, or A for the first answer. So A, B, C, D. So just keep doing. Can I just duplicate that one? No. Okie dokie. Add field, short text. This one will be for answer B. And then answer C. Answer D. And then we'll say the actual correct answer. Okay, so basically the logic we'll do is on our front end, we'll lay out choice A, B, C, and D. And if they select the one that the one that matches the answer, that's how we'll know that they got it right. Okay, cool. Okay, so there we go. We have a thing. Okay. So there's our model, and that should do it, because I mean that's all you really need. You need question, potential answers, and the correct answer. So we'll hit save on this model. Okay, content type saved successfully. So now we just have to add content. So now that we have our model, we can now add content to that model. Okay, and I want to add an entry. So I'll click here, add an entry. And I want to add, see there's all these, again, I want to add a trivia question. So I'll make these questions about something pretty fresh in my head. We'll make these programming questions. Okay. So which of the following is the strict inequality operator? Is it this? Is it that? Is it this? Or is it that? Okay, and the correct answer will be this. Okay, so there we go. That's one answer. So I'm going to populate this with more questions before we go to the next video, but before we want to figure out how to get the data. Okay, so actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to add more questions. In the next video we'll then practice actually fetching the data and showing how that works. So I will add like 10 questions, and then I'll see you guys in the next video. So ciao. But basically you would do the same thing if you're following along with this build. You would create questions for all your questions and answers. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video.